Okay, what's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kylie Latrice and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a unboxing and things like that. Actually, let me get the rest of the stuff. Hold on. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So, I guess Binta Beauty, they saw like all the content I've been doing on them and they wanted to send me some stuff. So they sent me some stuff. They reached out to me and they was like, you know, you want to send you some stuff. So they sent me some stuff. So this is the packaging. This is what it looks like. Binta Beauty. I love that because sometimes when I be getting packages, I don't know like where it's from, and so I like that they have this on the box because I know exactly who it's from and things like that. So yeah, this is cute. My information is on the back of it. What is this? Oh, this is the packaging slip. Okay, yeah. It came with some papers, really cute, and a booklet. Let's get to the stuff. So what they sent me was a new oil. So this is the oil that I already have. And they sent me another one. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that, y'all. It's so freaking beautiful. And then they sent me their hair vitamins. Now I have used these before and they were really good. They didn't taste that great though. Hold on, y'all. I can't get with this. I have to get all of the packaging off before I feel better. Like that right there, that's gonna bother me. So I'm just gonna cut this off. Is that y'all? Like, do y'all have to get all the packaging off before you just lose your mind? That is so me. Okay, I got the packaging off. I got a little paper off. But they sent me their vitamins. These are fast, healthy hair growth vitamins. Helps your hair grow fast. All hair types, coconut and strawberry. I don't remember the ones I had last time. I have to open these. Where did I put them scissors? I think they only have one flavor. I'm not sure. Okay, so these look like the ones. They look and smell like the same ones. No sugar added, with biotin, vitamin A, B6, B12, C, D3, and E. Okay, dietary supplements. No GMOs, animal testing, or harmful ingredients. Let me see. Suggested to take 2 gummies daily or as directed by healthcare professional or pharmacist. Do not exceed 3 gummies daily. Always consult with your doctor. Blah 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 blah. Keep out of reach of children. Use if safely settle damage. Blah 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 blah. Heat or moisture. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so we're gonna take 2 daily. I remember this taste. They didn't taste too hot. Okay, yeah. Ooh, ooh. They don't taste too hot. Or maybe I'm just dramatic. I don't know. Um, but yeah, so those are the gummies. Take 2 daily. Do not exceed 3. And this is the oil. Like I said, it's so freaking pretty. Like, wouldn't you just love to put this in your hair? Like, I'm not even... This is so freaking pretty. I'm not gonna lie. Like, what caught me was this oil in this bottle, like, on Instagram. That's what caught my attention to even try this brand, because their oil is so amazing. It's just so freaking cute. Like, I love it. Look at it. So this is the one that I have been using, and I'm not gonna throw this away. So like when I do finish it, I'm not gonna throw the herbs or whatever is in here. I'm not gonna throw that away. I'm gonna pour some more in there. That way it can stay fermented and stuff like that, because I love this oil. This is my favorite oil. So yeah, hair growth definitely finna be A1, and I'm finna be protective styling for the rest of the year. I'm trying to debate if I want to, what do I want to do for Thanksgiving? Do I want to do braids for Thanksgiving, or do I want to do a flexi rod set? I'm either going to do braids or a flexi rod set. I'm not really sure which one. So don't pay attention to my, I had some acne right here, and I don't know why. But yeah, I had some, 1, 2, 3, 4. I had some acne. I think, I don't know what it's due to, but yeah, I'm kind of scared. So yeah, I switched back to my old deodorant. So I don't know, maybe it's the, I don't know, but yeah, these vitamins, so 60 vegetarian vitamins, and Binta Beauty is vegan, animal cruelty free. They don't test on animals or anything like that. I like it because they're a vegan brand. Like, you know what you're getting when you use them. Like, they don't put any bullshit in your products. Like, you know exactly what you're getting every time. Nice vegan products. That's why the price is so high. What some of y'all don't realize is the less expensive the products, the more stuff that's not good for you is in it. You understand what I'm saying? I'm gonna use Cantu for example. Cantu has horrible ingredients, but it's only $5. Okay, some of these oils that y'all getting from the beauty supply store have horrible ingredients, but they're only $5. You know what I'm saying? So it's not the best for your hair. You have to, do you want, it's basically like, do you want quality or do you want cheap? It's just like with anything else you buy. If you want quality clothes, you're gonna pay more for them. You know what I'm saying? If you want quality shoes, you're gonna pay more for them. If you want quality hair products, you're gonna pay more for them. If you want quality jewelry, you're gonna pay more for it. So that's what it comes down to. Like, it's the same thing. If you want quality purses, you're gonna pay more for them. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, actually, quality purses, you can get a quality purse at Target. I'm not even finna hold you. Target be having some good quality stuff. But anyways, you get the point. You get what I'm saying. If you want quality stuff, you're gonna pay money for it. So it's the same thing with hair products. It's the same thing. If you want quality skincare, you're gonna pay more for it. I guarantee you, Fenty Beauty skincare line has great ingredients and great you know, has great stuff in it. Whereas, what's the skincare? I don't even know. My back itch. Whereas, what? CeraVe, for example. I don't use CeraVe, so I don't know. But CeraVe is probably like, CeraVe is Anyways, CeraVe is probably like what, $9, $10 at the max. It probably don't have that much good ingredients for you. So you have to quality bullshit. Quality bullshit. It's the same thing. Quality hair. Some of y'all be some of y'all be looking busted with these cheap ass wigs, but if you want quality hair, you're going to have to pay a pretty penny for it. Okay, so I don't want to hear nobody talking about, oh yeah, the price is this, the price is that, the price is this, the price is that. You spend your money on bullshit every day. So you mean to tell me you can't spend your money on products? I don't know. It just don't make no sense to me how people be talking about the price and then they be like, oh, but you had this Louis Vuitton bag. How you talking about the price of oil and you got a Louis Vuitton bag? Now, by any means necessary, don't live above your means, okay? Don't do that. If you can't afford it, you can't afford it like that. That's just, you know what I'm saying? That's just life. I can't afford a Louis Vuitton bag right now. I don't even want a Louis Vuitton bag now. Like, they don't even support my people. I don't know. They don't even support. Louis Vuitton has shown that they don't support black people. But anyway, and black people will still buy it. But this is black owned, vegan, not animal tested, non-GMOs. Like, this is really, really good. And I love this oil. This is my second bottle. Like, the first bottle was a glass bottle. This is my second bottle. And this will be my third. This was going to be, I think I'm going to get these to my mom, because I really don't need these. So I might just get these to my mom, because she was talking about finding good vitamins and things like that. And I actually recommended this brand to her. So I'm just going to go ahead and get these to my mama. Now, if she don't take them, then I'm taking them back, because I'll give my mama stuff and she be like, oh, thank you. And then won't even use it. And it's like, when you gonna use it? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give them to her, see if she use them, and then if she don't, I'm taking them back, because yeah. But yeah, I love this oil. Let me actually read. It says, split hair into multiple sections using dropper. Apply scalp or design areas intended for growth. Please use our website to find additional tips. And then this is the little pamphlet that they give you. So it shows you the different types of oils and the different sizes, I guess. Yeah, so it shows you the different, it just shows you everything that they have to offer. So as you can see, they have the hair growth serum, and then this is the one that I have. So if you're on the website and you want the one with the herbs, just this is what it looks like. This is gonna be the picture, okay? And it's going to be this is what you're gonna be getting. All right, so if you're looking for the one with the herbs, where's the front? If you're looking for the one with the herbs, it looks like this, because I know some people was confused. And this is the one with like no herbs. This is just like the one with just the oil. So yeah, they have an anti-age elixir, they have a leave-in conditioner, they have a butter for hair growth. I actually have this and I love this. I use this in the wintertime on my skin, actually. They have a detangler, curling custard. I love the curling custard too. I have the curling custard. I don't have the moisturizing smoothie cream. I don't have that. Whipped healing hair mask, shield heat protectant, beard growth serum for my men if y'all looking for beard growth, okay? Botanical styling gel, I have that. Frizz-free mousse, I don't have that. I don't really use mousse in my hair. Eyebrows, edges, elixir. Or you can just use this for your edges. Like, this is, you can just use that. But they have bonnets. They have a towel. I have the microfiber towel. I absolutely love that as well. They have, what's that, a do-rag? Do-rag for men. Scalp revival stimulating therapy. So you can use this with the hair serums, for the hair serums. A detangle brush. I already have a detangle brush. And they have a scalp, what is this? A shower brush, satin pillowcases, and a t-shirt. And then here you have some directions on how to use the stuff and things like that, bonus tips and stuff like that. So this is a really good pamphlet and things like that if you are trying to grow your hair. Honestly, like, I've been using Binta Beauty for a little over a year now, a couple months, and the hair growth is amazing, especially with color treated hair. I put this on my hair, I put it on my ends, I put it on my scalp, put it on my edges, and it gets the job done. Okay, it does what it's supposed to do. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much, Binta Beauty, for just sending me your products and watching my stuff and watching my content and things like that. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Push on my content. Make sure you push on my content. You can push on my content by liking and subscribing. It really does help me with the engagement on YouTube and things like that, because the algorithm is kind of shitty right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And I be working hard on these videos. Like, I post every single day, if not every other day. So I'm very consistent, you feel me? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice, and make sure you follow me on TikTok as well. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. I'll be posting content on there sometimes. Instagram, I don't know, my Instagram is kind of, Instagram's algorithm is very, very shitty, so my stuff isn't getting enough engagement on Instagram. So I'm kind of finna take a break from Instagram. I'm not even finna lie to you. Yeah, so just follow me on TikTok, Kyla Latrice 98. If you want to follow me on Instagram, Kyla Latrice. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next videos. Peace. Well, I'm trying to get as much content as I can out before I get my wisdom teeth done. And yeah, so yeah. All right. Bye.